Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring the sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this festival inspired eyeliner look. The first thing I always do is prime my eyelids, and I use the MAC Soft Ocher paint pot. And then I'm going in with this soft green shade from Makeupgeek. And I'm going to use this as my transition shade, so I'm going to blend it all over in my crease. Now for my next shade, I'm taking a green shade which is slightly darker, and I'm going to use this for my crease as well, but I'm trying to focus a little bit more precisely in my crease. So you will still see that light green shade peeking right above it. Also, the brush I'm using is by Morphe brushes, and it has more of a precise point, which makes that it gives more of a precise application. It's really a really good brush, and I really like to use it lately. So then I'm going back in with a light green shade and blending a little bit more of that around the edges. Then I'm going to take this white shade from Makeupgeek called White Lies. I'm going to press this all over the eyelid just to kind of brighten it up. And this is basically the only thing that I'm going to do for eyeshadow. So this is super easy. If you're like not really into a glitter eyeliner, you can use this just in combination with a simple winged liner, or you can do what I'm going to do in this video and go for a super extreme eyeliner. So for my line, I'm going to use this Sigma Wicked Jaw eyeliner, and I'm going to use this to first kind of create a line for my eyeliner. And I do have to mention, for this part, you don't really have to be very precise. As long as the line is straight at the upper part, it's fine. And if you go a little bit like messy on the bottom part, don't worry, because I'm going to apply the glitters on top of it, so you won't see anything back from it. But I do want like the upper part of the line to still be seen. So I'm going to apply the glitters like right below. So only worry about the upper part and not the bottom part. Later on you will see why. It's kind of hard to explain, but I think later on it will make sense once you see me applying the glitters. Now on top of the gel eyeliner, I'm also going to use this liquid liner from Sigma Beauty, just because I feel like applying a liquid eyeliner on top of a gel eyeliner makes it extra black, and it kind of covers, like, sometimes, you know, when you apply gel eyeliner you kind of have like little spaces between the liner that shows skin, and I feel like the liquid liner kind of fills it up, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to use this chunky glitter from, I believe the brand is called Festival Glitter. And to make this stick on the eyeliner, I'm going to use the House of Lashes lash glue. So if you're going to do this look for a festival, I'm sure you want to like make sure that it stays in place all day. So I think the best way to make this like as long wear as possible is to use a eyelash glue. So then I'm going to use this Makeupgeek Corrupt eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this underneath the lower lash line. And I'm going to use my Sigma, oh, this is not a Sigma brush. This is a eyeliner brush from, I believe, Dose of Colors. And I'm going to create a very tight line underneath the lower lash line. And around the inner corner area, I'm going a little bit lower to make my eyes appear bigger. Then I'm going to use this purple eyeshadow from Makeupgeek, and I'm going to use this to blend out the black eyeshadow. I felt because of the reflex that the glitters give, it kind of shows blue, white and purple. So I wanted to use like that turquoise shade in my crease and this purple shade for underneath the lower lash line to kind of give it a different twist. Then for the waterline, I'm going to use this MAC Fascinating Eyepencil, which is just a white pencil. And this will really make my eyes appear bigger. That's why I also applied it a little bit lower around that inner corner area. So the lash line appears to be a little bit lower than it actually is. And this will give that bigger doll eye effect that we want. Then I'm going to use the Ice Queen eyeshadow from Makeupgeek, which looks like a just simple white eyeshadow, but it has a slight shimmer. I'm going to apply a little of that in the inner corner. Then I'm going to curl my lashes using this eyelash curler from Tarte Cosmetics. And then I'm going to use some mascara, also from Tarte. It's the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. And for this look, I'm not going to wear fake eyelashes. I felt like applying fake eyelashes on top of the glitters is like really hard. So I felt like, why not only use mascara for this look? And then here you have the end result. I really hope you found this video helpful. Hopefully it will give you some inspiration for if you're going to a festival or for a party. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This will be really helpful for my channel, and this way I know what kind of videos you guys like. And of course, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!
When we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium.